Today I will show the tutorial for Hey, are you in love?
Hey, are you in love?
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and click the bell icon and like the video. So let's begin the video. Open KineMaster, click on create new, select 9:16 ratio and then import this clip. I will leave this clip link in description. Then import the images which you wanted to add in the video. Before continuing, if you are interested in art, then you can subscribe my art channel. I will leave this link in description. After importing images, add audio. I will leave this audio link in description too. Then trim the photos according to the timestamps I have given. Then come back, select the photo, go to Clip Graphics, scroll down and click on Overall Animation 1, then select second option, do the same with third image also. If you don't have Overall Animation 1, then go to Store, scroll down to Clip Graphics, and open it, then click on Overall Animation 1 and download it. At the second photo, import this video layer. I will leave this clip link in description. Then click on split screen option and select fit to screen and then scroll down and click on blending and select screen and same again scroll down, go to opacity, reduce it according to your video. And yeah, that's it with the video. If you like the video, subscribe for sure. Thank you.